Alright, y'all, so we got the FRS and the BRZ posted up in the shop. We actually just finished washing them up, and we're about to get started right now, literally. We can throw all the Christmas lights on them.
For the actual lights, we're using Scotch.
It's
Like, use
clear tape,
use whatever, like it doesn't matter like what it is. If you leave adhesive on long enough on wrap,
yeah,
it's gonna damage the wrap.
Yeah, that's what I'm low-key scared on, but I'm actually just gonna keep it on for probably like a day. I'm probably just gonna take it off right after this.
I know a lot of people are gonna be kind of curious on how we power everything. We're going a little bit bougie. You don't have to go bougie, but like we just have this in the shop. It's a Milwaukee, just like a 24 volt to a, it's 24 volt. It's just a converter or inverter.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take this here. We wanna make sure like we're doing 3, like these are 5.
Like 3 per car or something?
Yeah, 3 per car. So these are 500 lights. So we're gonna, boof, go in here, hit the top, power it.
Oh, there
it works.
It works.
Like, any day now. But no, then we're gonna keep stacking it.
That's sick.
Okay, and then for the last one, just to make sure like everything works.
Yeah.
Because I would hate like
Dude, imagine
all this work. And we're like, there we go.
Dude, that's so
yeah, we're bringing extra batteries with us just in case. But like on my car, I just have the cigarette lighter.
Yeah, if you guys wanna, I mean, this video is gonna be out soon enough. So if you guys wanna do this for Christmas, it's like the perfect chance.
Yes, great.
I was telling him earlier, like mobbing downtown with our cars like at nighttime, it's gonna be so freaking cool.
Yeah, downtown's gonna be a lot of fun though.
Dude,
we're trying
I'm
to maybe hit like a car meet tonight, just kind of get everyone's reaction. But
yeah,
we're gonna be mobbing, especially with the logo on. It's gonna look
dude, I'm excited. The lights, we got the logo on.
one.
All right, guys, one side is done. Check it out. So this was one roll. How many lights is it? Oh, 500 lights in one of those rolls. And pretty much got one side of the car. And then pretty much the same thing on the other side we're gonna do. And then the last roll is pretty much just the middle, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just right through the hood.
I was telling you guys, but like this is way easier than like 2 years ago when we were like wrapping our cars in Christmas paper.
Oh, Christmas paper?
I think I like this a little bit better, especially with like your friends. Get your friends involved.
It helps having 3 people like on board just helping. I was pretty much taping. Jordan was taping, and then he was just holding them.
I was lining them up.
I gotta turn that Uzi off. I don't want to get copyrighted. Guys, check it out. Oh my gosh. So we're like 80% done, I guess you could say.
I'd say about 80.
80?
Yeah. All we have left to do is the roof,
That's
the
it.
pillars.
We did the sides, the front, as you can see, everything, bumper, hood. And then this side, all that's left is literally just the roof, the pillars in the back. But it's crazy. It kind of flashes on camera. It doesn't do that in person. I think it's just my camera. It's kind of a lot of work.
Yeah, we're getting it done though. Honestly, I think we're moving faster than I thought we would.
Really?
I thought, yeah.
Bro, it's a process. If you guys want to do this, probably like, I don't know, a couple hours, an hour or two. Yeah,
Start in the morning.
Definitely have at least 2 to 3 people. So far, so good, man. This thing looks insane. I just can't wait to go out in downtown, freaking mob it with all the lights. All right, y'all, we're done. Check this out. We got Jordan's car all done. Dude, this looks crazy on camera. Look at mine. Look at Anthony over there. A little behind the scenes of logo reels. Bro, he's doing it like 50 times. Like, he just keeps doing it. It's funny. He told me it's better to have like 50 different options versus just doing it like a couple times. Look at 2 minutes later. Oh, he's gonna do it again. He's gonna do it again. He looks like a robot, like he's a machine. I don't know. Is it AI generated? He's what are those? The Tesla robots or something? Still going, bro. Oh, I think it's done. NPC. Gosh, there he goes. Round 2. Look, ready? I hope he does the one over the head. Oh yes, he's doing the over the head one. And that reminds me of like Call of Duty, like when they do like the animations or like double tapping. Why? Dude, it's so bright.
And
like
it's actually really fucking bright.
Dude, it's crazy bright. Guys, I actually cannot open my door. The strips are going across the whole door, so we actually have to get out and get in through the window. That's the only thing that sucks. I have to like make sure I don't open this because I'm so used to obviously opening the door. Same with Jordan. He can't open his door. Look, as you can see, the strips go across. This is crazy! Oh my god! Yo! That's wild! Oh my, dude, this is insane. Look at his car. We got it all over the wing.
That was pretty smooth though. I didn't mess up the lights.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Dude, so many people were like looking on the road.
I can imagine. the amount of time we spent on this, like they should be.
Alright, y'all. Well, we made it. I didn't get to tell you guys, but we made it to PABS. This is like the biggest Arizona show, or like every week. Yeah, I'm not from here, so we're just, you know, weekly show. Sick.
I usually come and like all these spots down here are always filled up.
I've literally just been like standing here just freaking checking it out. Dude, that's crazy on camera. The two park next to each other. We spent freaking so much time getting these ready, literally earlier. Like 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, but dude, seeing them together, that is so cool, man. You guys gotta do it. It's literally just Walmart lights, like 3 rolls, something like that.
Yeah,
and some patience, and we got it.
True, now I've got the Christmas phones, yo.
Oh yeah, I should put that on. Yeah, there you go. Dude, the kids love it. Oh my god.
Guys, I'm Chris Borges.
Hey, Chris, how are you?
Oh, there he is.
Oh.
He
You
looks
rocking?
sad.
Well, you feel. There we go. Hey, chat.
Hey, chat.
My batteries died. The battery that's hooked up to the lights. I'm sure you guys saw in those clips, but he's about to plug in the new battery and watch. It's gonna turn on. It's gonna turn on right now. Watch.
Trying to see something out of that?
Oh, there you are. I'd get out, but I can't because I can't open my door.
It's kind of stuck.
I want to stretch, but
It'll take walking into a whole new level.
I'm locked in right now.
Oh, it looks wild. Jordan just fired too. 3 cities. What are we thinking? What are we thinking?
I want to film, bro.
Wanna
I want
film.
to create some cool content.
Anthony.
And I'm thinking about Madison.
What are we doing right now?
All right, now it's time to make some low glow rollers. We're gonna do a little loop-de-loop and pull, and we're gonna do a little bit of roller action. Oh, Chris, turn your DRLs on.
Damn, Chris, your car's loud as shit. Aaron is the driver for the rollers today.
He's a really good roller driver. I want to give him credit for that. You said whip it?
Hey, I am too. Yo, Aaron, underglow over there.
Is that fucking low glow?
No. Yeah. Low glow or no glow, baby.
This is golden spot. Here we go. Here we go.
Bro, everybody has their phone out. This is insane. This literally gets so much attention. You guys are contemplating this, you guys should do it. Before Christmas, do it with a couple friends, go out and like, I don't know, like downtown or wherever it's busy and just drive there, because people are just like, it's just a vibe, you know? Like obviously it's just the holidays are coming up and it's like perfect for like the winter time. It's good holiday spirit. It's good Christmas spirit. Look, there's like a bar here and everybody's just looking. It is so funny. My boy Anthony is crazy for sitting in the trunk and getting rollers. But this is a vibe, bro. Look at the city. Dude, everybody's reaction is so funny. What the heck? He's doing like some flips and he was like, yo, I know how to do that too. I'm so confused. Oh, what the heck?
Good TikTok shot, bro. Good TikTok shot.
I'm so confused. He's coming, bro. He's coming. We saw a cop. I know. Dude, there's a freaking cop. Yo, there's a cop that was following us and he just left right now. So close to getting pulled. I thought we were gonna get pulled over. This is such a distraction on the road. Not even, it's so bright. California, we would never. I would have gotten pulled over the first 2 minutes being out on the public road. All right, man. Well, that pretty much wraps up our today's journey, man. It was, wow, it has been such a long day. We made it back to the shop. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking tired, but let's see how it is, man. I mean, everything is held up. I noticed when I was driving, like nothing was moving. Like I could see the lights on the hood. Everything was pretty like firm, you know what I mean? Nothing was, you know, making noise. I couldn't hear any like rattling. It was literally like fine. Did you hear any rattling on your car? No?
It was lit, man.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Like it literally held up.
They held on like surprisingly well.
Yeah, nothing happened.
Like nothing moved.
At all, yeah.
I was pumped. But yeah, if you're gonna do this, highly recommend like inverter directly to your battery. It uses a lot of power.
Because with mine, I don't know if I showed you guys, but mine is just plugged into like an impact gun battery pretty much with an adapter. But his is plugged into the cigarette lighter, so that's probably much better.
One thing about like the cigarette lighter one is you either have to keep the accessory on or keep your car running. As soon as you turn your car off,
that's true.
All the cops loved it. Like
dude, literally.
Past like 4, 5, 6 cops.
They loved it.
Loved the cop. Like loved it.
I was telling the vlog, I was like, bro, California, I would have been pulled over the first 2 minutes. Like, there's no way this would survive out there.
I don't know if you like recorded or not, but like there was one cop that like we drove past and I was like, oh no, and he just hops out, gets behind Drew, and we're like, dude, we didn't get pulled over.
We've been stuck at this light for literally like 10 minutes.
Like thing for construction.
The construction, yeah. Dude, we've been
like, this isn't fair.
we've been stuck here for literally so long. Oh my god. Yo. Dude, that is so loud. Oh my god. Dude, your flames are literally perfect.
Yeah.
That's so sick.
Are they blue?
No, they're like orange.
Okay.
Orange, red. What tune are you on? Who tuned it?
Daniel.
Oh, really, Flores?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. He has the same exhaust as the FRS, the Granny Evo GT. And he's tuned by Flores Tuning, the same one that tuned my BRZ with a turbo kit. So that's why his freaking flames are so big. Alright guys, well we are back home in San Diego. We got the BRZ here and the FRS. Guys, we made it. Another road trip completed in the FRS. So after watching this video, I'm sure you guys want to know did any of the Christmas lights, you know, ruin the wrap, the tape, the lights, whatever the case may be. So I'm sure a lot of you guys probably want to do Christmas lights this year on your car. I just washed it a couple days ago, so I, you know, got to clean the car. And I did not see any damage from the Christmas lights. The wrap looks the same. There's no areas where I can see a lot of scratches. I mean, the wrap itself does have scratches, but I mean, it's just from the past. But just from the Christmas lights alone, there was not really any damage that I could see. Now there's some spots where I can see a little bit of like the tape residue. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it on camera. Just from the Scotch tape. And there's also like little pieces of tape in random areas that I didn't notice, you know, when I was taking off the lights. So every now and then, randomly, I'll find a piece of tape and I'll just peel it off. But other than that, the wrap looks fine. Now, I did only leave it on for literally like 2 to 3 hours. I'm sure if you kept it on for like days and like left it out in the sun, I'm sure the tape would probably leave a lot of residue, which I was scared on, which is why I took it off like 2 hours later. But yeah, I mean, the wrap held up good. But very sad news, guys. On the freeway, I hit something. I don't know what it was. I was just driving and I just heard a loud freaking bang. I looked in my rearview mirror and I saw something rolling, like a piece of debris or something. Now, I don't know what I hit, but dude, my gas cap fell off on the freeway. I've never had this issue with this car or the 2022 BRZ. As you can see, this one has a magnetic gas cap as well. So it's literally just held on by magnets. And it's super strong. It holds up. Same thing with the FRS. It's magnetic, but I don't know. I might have hit something and it may have like hit the gas cap and ripped it off. I don't know. I do not like that. It looks so clapped out. Not only that, but we have more damage. I don't know what I hit. I literally don't know what I hit, but it messed up the freaking quarter panel and the wrap. Same with right here. Has this black stuff too that does not come off. It literally looks like someone hit my fender with like their tire. So ugly, but I hit something on the freeway. I don't know what it was, but that's very unfortunate. This literally makes me not want to like take this car to meets right now because of how clapped it looks. Got no gas cap. We got some damage on the quarter panels. I'm not sure if they sell replacement gas caps for this wide body kit. I could probably hit up TJ or Dylan from Street Hunter and see if they have any extra. I had a super cool idea. I was like, you know what? Maybe I can make a video and kind of create my own gas cap. I thought that'd be a really cool video. Comment down below if I should do that. It's definitely something different. I have not done body work in years. For that reason, I was thinking of doing just a little video. I felt that'd be really cool. Kind of a switch up in content too. Yeah, the FRS is probably just gonna kick it in here for a while. But yeah, damn. Finman's looking fire though. Heck yeah. All right, y'all. Time to take the BRZ out. I seriously don't drive this thing as much as I want to. But yeah, I got a couple of your Cyber Monday orders. Gonna head to the post office before they close. I said I need to stretch this thing's legs. I don't drive this thing as much as I want to. All the orders are out right now, so I truly appreciate it so much for everybody who placed an order for Cyber Monday sale. But yeah, dude, it's crazy to say. I never thought I would say this, but I am not a big Kendrick guy. Not gonna lie, bro, I've definitely been enjoying his new album. I don't know, bro, I've never been a Kendrick guy. I actually really liked his old album, Damn, from 2017. Other than that, I never really listened to Kendrick like that, but I gotta give him props for this one. I actually really like this new album. Not gonna lie, bro, I'm a big Drake guy, dude. I love Drake's music. I love his old stuff, his new stuff. I've been with Drake for years, man. His music just reminds me of like high school, and by far my favorite artist out of everybody has to be Drake. I think my favorite, man, I'm gonna be basic, not gonna lie. It has to be Luther with SZA or Peekaboo with AZ Chike. Those are probably my top 2 songs right now. Yeah, comment down below what's your guys' favorite songs from this album. And are you Team Kendrick or Team Drake? But yeah, boys, we're definitely in boost weather. It's so cold now here in San Diego. I low-key kind of love it. You know, it's hoodie season. By the way, Mustang hoodies are dropping very, very soon. I want to say like a week maybe. Finally coming. I haven't made hoodies in forever. Boost season, guys. Taking out the BRZ. I don't think I've ever driven this car in the cold, really. Oh my gosh. Yo. Jeez.